If you're nearing retirement or already retired, you may be looking for ways to lower your tax burden and protect your wealth for the future. Tax-deferred accounts can be a game changer in this respect, and today I'm going to show you how to leverage them to your advantage in retirement. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to navigate your tax strategy and potentially save thousands. Now, tax-deferred accounts like traditional IRAs, 401ks, and certain annuities allow your savings to grow without the immediate tax hit. This means you don't pay taxes on the money you contribute or the interest it earns until you take withdrawals. But here's where many people get stuck. Not all tax-deferred accounts are created equal, and knowing how to use them can make a huge difference in your retirement planning. For example, if you're retired or nearing retirement, withdrawing funds from your 401k or traditional IRA may push you into a higher tax bracket. But here's a tip. Consider spreading out those withdrawals over multiple years to minimize the tax burden each year. This way, you avoid that huge spike in your taxable income, which could cost you more in taxes. Now, let's talk about something many retirees overlook: Roth IRAs. A Roth IRA works a bit differently. You contribute after-tax dollars, but when you withdraw, the money is tax-free. It's a great strategy for future tax savings, but the challenge is you can't just convert a 401k or traditional IRA to a Roth without triggering taxes. However, doing so strategically can help you reduce taxes in the long run, especially if you're younger and have the time for your investments to grow tax-free. Here's where it gets really interesting. If you're serious about protecting your wealth and lowering your tax burden, you may want to consider a gold IRA. If you're looking for a tax-deferred account that helps you protect your wealth from inflation and market volatility, a gold IRA can be a powerful tool. Thousands of Americans are already opening gold IRAs to safeguard their wealth in a way that traditional retirement accounts can't match. And if you're interested in learning why gold IRAs are becoming so popular, check out the first link in the description for a free guide. The strategy of using tax-deferred accounts to lower your tax burden in retirement is all about planning ahead. It's essential to look at your income streams and project your tax situation for the years to come. Don't just rely on your 401k or IRA to do all the heavy lifting. Diversify your retirement savings to include accounts that give you tax flexibility, like Roth IRAs, and if you're eligible, make sure you're contributing enough to get the full employer match in your 401k. Another key point is taking advantage of tax-deferred accounts in your later years. If you're 72 or older, you're required to start taking minimum distributions from traditional IRAs and 401ks, which are taxed as ordinary income. But if you can, try to delay your withdrawals until the required minimum distribution, RMD age, which can help you avoid paying higher taxes in your early retirement years. Now, if you're wondering whether there's a better option than traditional retirement accounts, look no further than gold IRAs. Unlike stocks or bonds, gold has historically been a hedge against inflation, so you're not only benefiting from tax deferral, but you're also adding a layer of protection to your wealth. It's the kind of peace of mind you need when you're in or nearing retirement. If you're serious about protecting your wealth, especially if you've got 100k or more in your IRA or 401k, or even up to 5M plus in savings, I highly recommend looking into gold IRAs. It's a secure way to grow and protect your savings while keeping your tax burden low. And finally, if you want to learn more about how to protect your wealth and reduce your taxes in retirement, don't forget to grab that free guide in the description below. It's designed specifically for Americans with significant retirement savings, whether you have 100k, 500k, or even $5. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take control of your financial future. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out that free guide to learn more about tax-deferred accounts and gold IRAs.